welcome to Trupti Physio Academy. Are you a passionate physiotherapy student aiming to ace your exams and become a ranker? Or perhaps you're an international student aspiring to practice physiotherapy in a new country? Well, you've come to the right place. Our mission is simple: to empower you with the knowledge and skills you need to excel in your physiotherapy journey. But it's not just about exams and licenses. We're also here to inspire you, motivate you, and create a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about physiotherapy. Thank you for choosing Trupti Physio Academy. Get ready to achieve your dreams in the world of physiotherapy. Let's start this amazing adventure together. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, and remember, your success is our priority.